Thanks for considering end-to-end ESG reporting course to build your skills in ESG. We've come a long way since we introduced this practical industry-ready assignment-based course in June last year, 2025. And I am so proud, so happy to announce that 300 learners, about 300 learners have banked on this course in the last 9 months. We've added a complete new module in this course on climate related risk and their financial impact. So the course started with five main modules and a bonus module. Now the course has six modules plus the bonus module. And in the bonus module, also regular intervals, we've added some new topics like carbon markets and particular sub module on IFRS S1 and S2 and how it works, right? So we have also added new data sets on ESG reporting, your sustainability data, energy data, water data, waste data, then greenhouse gas emissions data for all scope 1, scope 2, and certain categories of scope 3. So that's what we have added so far. We've very recently added some reporting templates. So model reporting templates are one in BRSR reporting, another one in IFRS S1 reporting, and we're working on S2, IFRS S2 reporting template. And we also added a calculator. A calculator means a calculation template of your scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions, right? So we will keep on adding these resources, these valuable resources as we move forward, picking strongest trends in the domain of ESG and sustainability. Most of you know, being professionals in the industry, being learners and students of ESG, sustainability, climate change, environment, and related fields, that the domain is changing dynamically very fast. A lot of new regulations coming up, reporting frameworks coming up, and the need and requirements of reporting are also changing, right? So there's a lot of changes that we are facing. There's a lot of new trends that are coming up, right? But having said that, the requirement and you can say the scope of ESG and sustainability has expanded. It's no more a standalone area, I would say, right? It is, it has expanded to, departments like your finance, HR, R&D, procurement, supply chain, even, fields like marketing and sales, because many consulting firms and many tech solution firms have come up with ESG related solutions. So, the field, the topic, and yes, the course has become more valuable since it started. So, if you're still not 100% sure of where and how to learn these skills from, just connect with me through, LinkedIn, or you have my email ID. I'll put it in the description, I'll put it in comments or wherever possible. You open my LinkedIn profile, you can, just connect with me through there. And some of you may also have my WhatsApp number. I keep on sharing it at regular intervals, right? So once again, thank you for having faith in the course, and all the very best for the rest of 26, for your careers and your promotions and everything else in your life. So thank you and take